Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to redeem a code in Mobile Legends. Alright, let's begin. First, open an internet browser and search for Mobile Legends. Open the official website and rotate your device if necessary to access it properly. Tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, scroll down and select Tools. At the bottom of this section, tap Redeem to open the redemption page. Next, you will need your in-game ID to redeem codes. Launch Mobile Legends and tap on your profile icon at the top of the screen. Copy your player ID displayed at the top. Once copied, go back to the redemption page and paste the ID into the required field. After that, request a verification code. Open Mobile Legends again and check your in-game notifications to copy the code. Return to the website, paste the verification code, and enter the redeem code you want to use. Finally, tap Redeem, and your rewards will appear in your in-game mailbox. So that's basically how you can redeem a code in Mobile Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.